Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a project share and a review of the NewCraftDay diamond painting projects that I recently unboxed. And this is the first one. This is a wristlet pouch with the sun and moon. And just a disclaimer, I never done diamond painting. This was my first project ever, so I was completely intimidated by the size of the project and also how they were marked. But surprisingly enough, as much as the numbers were small, they were really clear and easy to follow. As you can see, I completed this project, so I really enjoyed it. And there was leftover of the drill bits. And in terms of the wax, for this project, I did use a little bit more. But surprisingly, for the next one that I'll be showing you, I barely dipped the pen in the wax square and I finished the entire design here. But look at this beautiful purse. I think it'll work well as an evening purse. I also was able to attach the tassel. It came for the zipper pull and it has a chain handle here. But it's really pretty. I'm really impressed. And the fabric for this one I prefer much more. It's better quality than the other one, I will say. But this one turned out so beautifully as well. And again, had a good amount of the extra drill bits. In terms of stickiness and how well did these stick on, they held on pretty well. I've touched it, brushed on it with my hand, and nothing came off, which is awesome. So that shows you it's great adhesive quality. So let's look at the final one, and the last one is a holiday card. So here it is. Let me just put that there. Here is our cute little pup. Isn't he adorable? So this one I made with my daughter Emmy, and she was just amazed at how fun it was to work with. And so she did half of the page and I did half of the other page. But like, how adorable is this card? I'm just so happy. And again, I had extra drill bits, so we can definitely use it for other crafty projects. This is the inside of this beautiful card. So there it is, guys, a quick review of the NewCraftDay diamond painting project here. Let me just show you all three. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share. I sure did enjoy these diamond painting projects from NewCraftDay. I will link their website down below and also have a discount code if you would like to use that. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.